Hello, hello, teacher Shelby here. Do you finally want the confidence to order food at a restaurant in English? ¿Quieres por fin tener la confianza necesaria para pedir comida en un restaurante en inglés? Today is the day. Hoy es el día. First, let's talk about the menu, la carta. The menu. Menu. Drinks. Bebidas. Drinks. Drinks. Appetizers. Aperitivos. Appetizers. Appetizers. Main courses. Platos principales. Main courses. Sides. Acompañamientos. Uy, esta palabra en español es más fácil en inglés. Sides. Sides. Desserts. Postres. Desserts. Desserts. Daily specials. Especiales del día. Daily specials. Host. Hostess. Anfitrión. Anfitriona. Host, hostess, the person who welcomes you, la persona que te da la bienvenida en un restaurante and seats you at the table y te sienta a la mesa. Host, hostess. Waiter, waitress, or server, server. Camarero, camarera. Mesero, mesera. Waiter or server es masculino. Waitress or server también femenino. Customer, cliente. Customer. Okay, when you order, cuando pides, the top 3 phrases you can use, las 3 frases principales que puedes usar son I would like, me gustaría. I would like, or con contracción, I'd like a Coke, please. I will take, voy a tomar. I will take, or contracción, I'll take a coffee, please. Can I get? ¿Puede darme? Es una pregunta. Can I get? Can I get a piece of cake for dessert? Can I get? Now, let's talk through a conversation at a restaurant. Hablemos de una conversación en un restaurante. Host, customer. Good evening. How many? Just one. Okay, a table for one. Follow me, please. Here is your table. Your waiter will be right with you. Okay, thank you. Okay, now waiter and customer. Good evening. How are you? What can I get you to drink? I'm good. I'll have a Diet Coke and a water, please. Okay, and would you like an appetizer to start? Yes, a salad, please. We have Greek, Italian, Caesar, and house salad. Ooh, I'll have the house salad with oil and vinegar dressing. Okay, I'll put that order in and be right back with your drinks, bread, and butter. Thank you. Here are your drinks, bread, and salad. Are you ready to order? Yes, I'm ready. What can I get you? I'd like an 8-ounce steak, please. And what side would you like with your steak? What kind of potatoes do you have? We have baked potatoes, mashed potatoes, or fries. I'll have fries, please. And how would you like your steak cooked? Medium, please. Okay, that will be out in a few minutes. Thank you. Here is your meal. Does everything look okay? Yes, it looks delicious. Do you have room for dessert? What do you recommend? The apple pie is my favorite. Okay, I'll try that. Okay, I'll be right back with your dessert and the check. Thank you. Here is your check. You can pay that whenever you're ready. Okay, here you go. Here is your receipt. Have a nice night. You too. That's it. I hope you feel more confident ordering in a restaurant. Espero que te sientas más seguro pidiendo en un restaurante. Remember these three phrases. I would like, I'd like, I will take, I'll take, can I get? Now your homework is to go try it. Tu tarea es ir a probarlo. Vamos a un restaurante. Bye.